we had 15 millimeters of rain over a day and a half. So for a day and a half we didn't plant. We don't want to plant when it's too wet the ground. But yeah, that's very good. We have that moisture now in the ground, so we can continue planting. So yeah, we are finished with our first few fields of barley. We only have this one left. Then we're gonna move back to the wheat, and then we'll come back to the other barley fields. Yeah, so far we've done quite a lot of hectares this week. We have passed the halfway point in the beginning of the week. We are now on Saturday. So yeah, we are happy with that. This season we are planting 3 different barley varieties.
It's a super wet morning today, and the fertilizer truck that we need to unload just got stuck on the gravel road. So we're gonna use the John Deere 6930 to pull it out. I hope we can get the job done.
afternoon, everyone. So we are busy with wheat at the moment. We are going to plant 3 more fields of barley after we're done with this few fields of wheat, and then we're gonna go back to wheat and then end off with the oats. But so far, everything's going well. Morning, everyone. So yeah, we are busy planting wheat at the moment. We had a bit of rain, so we were out of action for 2 days, and now we're busy with the wheat again. As you guys can see here, my bin camera is not working anymore. There went something wrong with the wiring and couldn't get it right again, so we're just gonna finish the planting season for now, and maybe next year we'll get the new system in, because this system is quite old. But luckily, in the ag leader, we have a bin counter which shows us how much seeds is in the bin, so we can still look at that there.